Hello, this is Cody Hayes, and I am demoing my John Conway's Game of Life project that I have built from the ground up. First off, there are 4 rules to the Game of Life. Any cell with fewer than 2 live neighbors dies. Any cell with 2 or 3 live neighbors lives. Any live cell with more than 3 live neighbors dies, and any dead cell with exactly 3 live neighbors gets reborn or becomes alive. So it's not really going over the code, but if I run the main here, just to demo the actual project itself, here's the grid. So each cell in here, each square is a cell, and each cell, when I press this start button, is going to abide by the 4 rules placed right here. So if I press start, this shape is what's called a glider, so that's going to just move infinitely. I set it to be random colors. I'm not too sure how I feel about that, but yeah, so if I click this fast button, it'll pick up the pace. If I do slow, it'll go a bit slower. I can stop the grid. I can add more things if I wanted to. I could reset the grid. And yeah, that's basically the gist of the Game of Life thing. Actually, one more thing just to make it a bit cooler. The real cool part about this project is when you actually put a lot of these on the screen at once, and then you press start and it makes these cool patterns here, like this one. Just looks very pretty. But yeah, that is my demo for this project. Thank you for watching.